Storm Team 29 forecast.
Nice cool start this morning. Here's the sunrise shot taken by Warren Fulton. Those are some stratocumulus clouds. They did mix out, and we saw temperatures this afternoon back in the 80s. Another very warm October day. Here's a close-up of a honeybee on a daisy that captured by Jim Carpenter. Let's check into the numbers. Of course, you can see the clear skies now. 81 at the airport, touching 84 for high today. That's 8 degrees above average. Very comfortable air mass in place. Temperature right now at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, 73. 80 was the high today, and 52 was the morning low. We've got 73 there in Palmyra, same in Louisa, 74 in Livingston, 78 currently in Madison, 73 in Stanton, and 74 currently in Waynesboro. We'll settle back into the 50s here tonight. Once again, some areas, especially close to some of the river valleys, will see some patchy fog. And then tomorrow, another day back in the low and mid 80s. So similar to what we saw today. Temperatures running about 8, almost 10 degrees above average for this time of year, making it feel more like September. As we move into the late week, we'll start to see a little bit of a transition, close to 80 on Thursday, and then by Friday, more clouds will start to build in. Currently, it looks like a larger part of the day is dry, but as we get into Friday evening, Friday night, into Saturday morning, that's going to be our window of opportunity for some showers. Now, the front that comes through will certainly have a bearing on temperatures, making it much cooler. October chills will return here for the weekend, but unfortunately, it doesn't look like a whole lot of rain. In the meantime, high pressure, not only at the surface, but higher up in the atmosphere, acting as a big ridge, and that's just basically blocking any weather systems from impacting here the eastern seaboard. Now, we go farther to the west, and yeah, we've got showers and thunderstorms east of the Rockies, and a frontal system in this direction will continue to push off to the east. It'll take several days to get here, but preceding that, we've got plenty of warmth. And you can see at this hour, all the 80s here back across the Ohio Valley, even portions of the upper Midwest. But there's some cooler air that will follow behind the system, and it's basically a setup of the jet stream. So we've got the ridge in place now, and that'll still hold tight here as we go into Wednesday. Start to break down a little more on Thursday, and then Friday, here comes the front. So that cooling trend will get going. We'll still feel the effects of that by Saturday and Sunday, and we get into the latter half of the weekend and early next week. We're talking about those morning lows that'll be down anywhere from the mid-30s to low 40s. In the meantime, here we are early Wednesday morning with temperatures in the 50s, maybe a little patchy fog early. Afternoon highs back in the low and mid-80s, so another September-like afternoon. Thursday morning, we'll start in the 50s, and then Thursday afternoon, upper 70s to near 80. Winds will be a little bit more easterly. And then looking ahead to Friday, especially Friday evening, Friday night into Saturday morning, that's going to be our next shot of some rain to work through. But unfortunately, it looks like most amounts at this time will probably be well under 1/4 of an inch. But we'll feel the effects of the wind and the cooler temperatures that will work in behind the front. Temperatures here tonight in the 50s, mostly clear, a little bit of patchy fog. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Another warm day tomorrow, still above average temperatures here to close out the week. And then the drop off in the numbers occurs this weekend with some showers likely Friday night into Saturday morning. We'll continue to watch the timing of that front, but October chills back in the forecast.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much.